Once if I start recording, please don't be upset that. I told you many times. I started recording now. Only after Tridip, keep your legs down. Tridip boy, good morning to all. You can keep one letter pad and you can keep on that. Now what happened? Otherwise your handwriting will be bad because you are going to draw certain things for the pattern. Okay, or you keep it on the desk. Yeah. Get ready, ma'am will wait for another 5 minutes for everybody to join. Okay, now take out page number 140 and we are just going to do one by one. Okay, the pattern. 1 minute. Now just see children, look at the pattern. Now as I told you, all the figures, it will be continuing. You can continue the same thing. See here, circle, square, square, whatever it may be. Circle, sometimes it will be little bigger than the square, it will be rectangle. See here children, just next to this review exercise, you can write today's date. Today's date is 9-3. That's enough. 9-3. Okay. Okay, now, the first one. Oh, children, don't be in a hurry. You can take a small, take an object which is very small, like a 1 rupee small 1 rupee coin or 50 coin, 50 paise coin, so that you can do the circle. Now, let me see. I need your help. Prajan. Prajan, good morning, Prajan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Prajan, just look at the pattern. First, what is this, Prajan?
Circle.
Circle. Next one, square.
Square.
Next one, square.
Square.
Okay, we are repeating the same. Circle,
Circle.
square,
Square.
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 Now, what will be the next one?
Circle.
Next one.
Square.
Very good. Please do it neatly. Circle, square. 1 minute, man, will close the door. By the time we can do that.
That's good.
Thank you for this.
No, no.
Barabar.
Yeah, please do it.
Good idea.
1 minute, 1 minute. Ma'am just going to close the door. Now, 1 second. What happened? Please do it neatly. No freehand drawing. Because if you do freehand drawing, it won't be nice. Prajan, turn off your mic. Don't do freehand drawing. Getsia, have you completed that? Getsia, no. Don't do freehand drawing.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me, Getsia, that picture. You take an object which is very small, draw a circle. Come on, Sona, do it neatly. Okay, Getsia, show me. Closer to the camera. No. Up little bit up.
Ma'am.
Still it's not seen. Okay, keep it down. I just want you to do by yourself. The first one. Juan Sri, settle soon. Yeah. So now turn off your mic. You can do neatly by drawing all those figures. Circle, then square. Yeah. Next one is Harish. Tell me the first figure in B. Excuse me.
25.
Triangle. It's a triangle. Then after triangle, what is it? Star.
Star, ma'am.
Again, what is it? Third one.
Triangle.
Again, what is it? Fourth one.
Star.
Again.
Triangle.
Again. Now,
Star.
what will you
Triangle.
do? What will you do the next one?
Triangle, ma'am.
Very good. Please draw neatly. Then after triangle,
Star.
it's continuous pattern. Okay. So figures, pictures you can draw neatly. Okay, do it. Yes. Yes, you must have completed that. Come to the next one. We'll go see to the next one. Write the next three numbers in each of the following patterns. Okay, the first one. 5. I'm going to call one person. Cyrus, are you there, Cyrus? Kushagra? Many are not there. Sanvi? Who's this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi. Is it Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only Sanvi is going to answer now. Sanvi, first
Yes.
one. First one, Sanvi.
25.
No. I just want you to read from first. 5,
5,
10, 15, 20,
25.
25. After that,
30.
yeah, next.
35.
Yeah, 35. Very good. You can write, children. Please write. Next child is Rida. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
99,
Second one, I want you to say second one.
9, 19, 99, 30,
What is it?
49,
No. Excuse me. Start from first.
9,
9.
99,
No, you just look at the numbers clearly and read, girl. Oh, come on. Good girl.
19,
19. Next one.
29,
Hmm.
39,
Then.
49,
Very good. Next.
59,
Yeah.
69.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, please write neatly. Now, Pratika, are you there, Pratika? Yes. Till now, she's not there. Okay, I just want Alan. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Alan, the next set of numbers.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 4, 7, 10. And next is 13, ma'am.
Very good. Counting in threes. Actually, you're adding threes. Keep counting in threes. Very good. 13. Then,
16,
yeah. Next.
19,
After 16,
19.
19. Very good, children. Very
Thank you.
good, Alan. Very good. Children, you have to observe nicely. Okay. Yeah. Next one is Harish K. Harish. Harish,
Yes, ma'am.
start counting from 6. 6, then 12. Can you
6,
tell me, skip counting in what?
6, 12.
No. Just listen. After 6, you start counting. Now, after 6, next number is 12. Okay.
Okay.
6, 12,
6, 12, 18,
18,
20,
24. Then,
24, 30,
yeah.
36,
Very good.
42.
Good. Now all of you check the textbook exercise. It should be neat like this, how it's written here and how it's drawn. Let's revision. Okay. I just want John, show me your textbook. John,
Yes,
show me your
ma'am.
textbook. Effie must show John. Only whom I am calling must show. John, show me your textbook closer to the camera.
Ma'am.
Yes, the work, the drawing I want to see. It's all upside down, John. Just keep it properly. Effie, show me your book.
Ma'am, my phone is on charge, ma'am. That's
Wait, I will try.
John, 1 minute. Yes, Effie, good. Effie, that triangle, draw a little bigger because it should be the same size. Children, when you draw pattern, yes, John, 1 minute, little down, keep little down the book. I want to see the first figures. Yeah, good, John. Effie and all others, when you draw figures, it should be the right size. Pattern means it should be the same. Okay, same size. And have you noticed something? Figures will repeat. Understood? Numbers, we will continue with the numbers. You can't do it. I will come back to the same. Children, all of you have a look. You cannot write again 5, 10, 15, 20 like that. You cannot. Okay, you cannot write 5, 10, 15, 20 like that. Clear? So what you have to do is, you must know the next number. Pattern, this continuous pattern, not the same thing repeating. You have to count and see from first how it's done, continue as it is. Don't write 1, 4, 7, 10 again, 1, 4, 7, 10, it's wrong. Even A, B, C, D, according to the pattern given, you have to do it, okay? Now let's do the next one. I'm sorry. Brain teaser, see, find the missing. I'll give you just 5 minutes. Find the missing letters in the given pattern. Okay. Just look. A, B, B. Something is missing. Again, A, B, two things are missing. A, B, B, A, B, A, B, something. Just think and fill in by the time I will do. Second one, all repetition. A, B, A, B, A, B. So you have to find out the next one. B is there again. You just think, children. Now, let me ask. Jemima, can you tell me the first one? Which letter is missing? You compare all the three. Jemima not there. Sona, can you try, Sona?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 1 minute, okay. A, B, B. One letter is, who's that?
Jemima, ma'am.
Okay, Jemima. Sona, just wait. Jemima, just see, okay. See here, one letter is missing. Here, two letters. Here, one letter, but the last letter is given. Can you tell me what will come over here?
C.
Let me see. Yes, good. I thought ma'am got it wrong. Because you have to compare all the three. Good, Jemima. Now, Sona, can you try the second one? A, B, two letters are missing over here.
C, D.
What is it?
C,
A, B.
D.
Sona. Sona, 1 minute. A, B is given here. Okay.
C.
Sona. Sona, just let me see. 1 minute, don't be telling 1 minute. Sona, are you answering? Only Sona, just wait, Sona. Others don't answer, please. Let Sona tell me. Sona, the first one is A, B, B, C. Because she just looked into all the three and she knew the last one is C. Now, Sona, look into the first one and tell me the missing letters over here.
B, C.
Yeah, this is pattern, continuous pattern. You can't say CD. Now you know the last one. 1 minute. Next one, Veerti. Can you tell me the last one, Veerti?
Yes,
Yeah, A, B.
C.
Veerti, please look into this pattern, Veerti. A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C. A, B. Veerti,
Ma'am,
try.
I'm thinking, ma'am.
Tell me, which is the missing letter?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I'm thinking.
Virti, no need to look anywhere. Look into this pattern. A, B, C. A. Children, I want you to listen and wait for you to answer. Wait. Look here. A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C. A, B. What is missing?
B.
Yes, simply don't say you have to look because you will be losing marks. Suddenly, now ma'am is asking too many times, then you will know. Okay, Virti? All of you must be slow. Don't be in a hurry to answer and make mistake. Okay? Now let me see. Is it all right, children? Think. The problem is you're disturbed in class. You will be talking to somebody in class and somebody is disturbing you in class means you won't be able to answer. You always listen. Ma'am will give you instruction, then you do accordingly. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. What shape will be on 15th position? If this pattern, now listen children, just see to the pattern. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm not going to do anything. I'm giving you 5 minutes. And don't repeat this pattern. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just put 9 dashes, not here in your home study. 9 dashes in your home study. Continue the pattern. Okay. Now 1 minute. 15th position. So already how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 7 more dashes you put in your home study, children. 7 dashes. Just anywhere, no problem. Just put 7 dashes. And continue the pattern. After this, what will come? After this, 2 triangles, 2 squares. 2 triangles, 2 squares. Continue like that. 7 dashes. You start drawing. I will ask somebody. Dhruv, tell me the pattern given over here. Dhruv, tell me the pattern, Dhruv. Not there. Can you tell me the pattern here? 2 triangles, 2 squares.
Two triangles, 2 squares, 2 triangles, 2 squares.
Now, 1 minute. 7 dashes you got. So you continue. Next 2 triangles, 2 squares. 4 is over. Come on, draw. Again 2 triangles, 2 squares. You draw 2 more patterns exactly like this. 2 triangles, 2 squares. 2 triangles, 2 squares. Continue the pattern. Put 7 dashes. Each dash, one figure. And count 15th one in your home study. 15th one. Put 7 dashes. And start 2 triangles. Again 2 triangles, 2 squares, 2 triangle, and you count. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyone finishes, you must tell me, okay? Jane, why are you sitting simply? Have you
Ma'am,
done this?
Ma'am, Kushagra, ma'am.
Kushadra,
Ma'am,
just
I
wait.
studied, ma'am. I finished, ma'am.
1 minute. Jane,
Ma'am,
listen.
I finished, ma'am. This is
I am calling only Jane children. Why are you shouting like this? Jane, now can you tell me the 15th figure, Jane? Is it a triangle or a square? What is it?
Square.
Very good. Now Kushadra, you tell me 15th figure. What is it? Good, Jane.
Okay, ma'am.
What, Kushadra, you were talking this and that? Tell me, what is the 15th figure? Don't scream all together. You did not do it. Sri Mukhilan, you tell me.
Triangle.
Square. Okay, now, just wait, children. Tangaretnam, tell me the 15th figure.
Square.
What? Square. Okay. Let me go back. Sona, did you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Answer. Square. Okay. Ma'am doesn't have enough space to draw. So I'm drawing like this. Okay, children. No. Let me see the textbook exercise because no time to do the next one right now. Let us see. Yes. No need to go to the next one. All have done that. Now, we just got 5 minutes more. Yes, 1 minute. Now, children, I got a message that Juansri's birthday today. Juansri, just come on the screen. We'll just wish her because she'll be very, very happy. Juansri, where are you? Yes. Now, children, you must sing together. Others can complete your work. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Many happy happy birthday. Still your friends love you. Happy birthday to everybody. Very happy she is. Okay, Judge. Yes, she is very happy because all her friends are there to sing for her. Okay, children. Very good, Judge. God bless you. Okay, now, Samantha, have you done the figures in your textbook?
Ma'am.
Sona, did you complete?
Ma'am.
Yes, what happened, Samantha? I missed you for a long time. That's what I'm asking you. I was not able to listen to you. You were not listening to me. I mean, you were not there. What happened? Are you all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, what happened to your camera? Now, how is Ritik? Ritik, are you all right? Ritik Pranav? See, Fatima, when we are in class, don't be sending any message, okay? You can wish her later. Okay? Okay, Fatima. Then, Samantha, are you all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritik, how are you, Ritik?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Take care of your health, okay? Don't be going in the sun. It's very hot over here. So don't be going up and down, okay? All must take care of your health. All must wash your hands, drink lot of water. Don't eat spicy things, okay? See, Judah, I told you not to send messages during class time. Okay, you can just wish Juansri later. Now, how are you, Tangareknam? She's having 2 ponytails and she's smiling away. How are you, Tangareknam? She's talking, but I cannot hear. Must be the mic is. Yes, Tangareknam's mic is on. Some children have problem with the systems. You have to just see to it. Okay. Okay, Jane. See, Jemima. Hope all are keeping good health. Okay, ma'am will see you in English period. How are you, Jane? Are you able to do everything by yourself? Are you able to do everything
Yes,
by
ma'am.
yourself? Okay, good girl. Okay, then. Now you have to get ready for your next class. Okay. Then around 10:20, 10:15 itself, ma'am will send the link for English class today. Okay, very good. Juansri is thanking everyone. Okay. Okay, thank you, children, for singing for her. Okay, have a nice time, Juansri.